Hello children, welcome back. So this is the next summer holiday workout, doing our maths work. If we can start off, can you show me 6 on your fingers? You'll need 2 hands. And now can you show me 6 a different way on both hands? And now can you show me 6 one other way? Great, so you should have shown me 5 and 1 maybe, 5 fingers on one hand, 1 on the other, and then maybe 3 and 3, 3 fingers on one hand, 3 on the other, and you might have also shown me 4 fingers on one hand and 2 on the other, all of them making 6. Okay, we're now going to look and see if we can recognize these 2-digit numbers. Do you know what number that is? So it's 10 and 5 more, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's the number 15. How about this one? 10 and 2 more. 10 and 2 more is 12. 10 and 1 gets you to 11. 10 and 3. It looks like it should be 13, but we call this number 13. 10 and 6. Is 16. What's this one? 10 and 8 is 18. This one, 10 and 4 more, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's the number 14. This one is the number 19. 10 and 9, and 2 tens is 20. Now, can you tell me, some of you might be able to do this, how many more do you add to 13 to make 20? It's like 3 and 7 makes 10, it's 13 and 7, which makes 20. How many more do you add to 17 to make 20? Like 7 and 3 is 10, 17 and 3 is 20. How many do you add to 14 to make 20? It would be 6 more. How many do you add to 16 to make 20? You'd need 4 more. How many do you add to 12 to make 20? You'd need 8 more. And how many do you add to 15 to make 20? You'd need another 5, just like 5 and 5 is 10. 15 and 5 is 20. Right, well done. Okay, now we're going to try and count up and down again in silly voices to try and get numbers 0 up to 20 right in our heads. So we've got a number line in our head. So we'll start on 8 and we'll start by doing a deep voice. So see if you can do it with me at home. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's try and go back now, and this time we're going to do it in an excited voice. So we're going to go down from 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now remember, if you're confident with these, close your eyes as we go through them. See if you can join in with your eyes closed. We're going to count up now from 11, and this time we're going to whisper. So whisper with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we'll count down in a squeaky mouse voice. We'll start on 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well done. Did you manage to do it without missing out number 13? He's the one we often miss out. Right, well done. Okay, now have a look at this number. What number have I made? You can see that there's a 10 there and there's a 4 there. What number have I made? Can you call it out? And then I'll show you. So we've got a 10 and we've got a 4. And it makes the number 14. 14 is just a 10 and a 4, and it's a cheeky 10. It hides its 0 behind the 4. So number 14. What number have I made here? So we can see that there is a 10. There's the 10. And there's also an 8. And so what number is it going to make? It's going to make the number 18. Remember, this 1 is just a cheeky 10, and then there's 8. So it's the number 18, made up of a 10 and 8 more. What number have I made here? Well, we've got a 10, and then what's this number? Yeah, we've got a 6. What number is it going to make? It's going to make the number 16. We've got the cheeky 10 hiding its 0 behind the 6. So we've got a 10 and a 6, and it makes the number 16. And the number here, what number have I made? Well, you can see there's a 10, and we know that there's also a 9. What number is it going to make? It's going to make the number 19. This 1 is just a cheeky 10 hiding behind the hiding its 0 behind the 9. It's just a 10 and a 9 together. 10 and 9 makes the number 19. Brilliant. Okay, now we're going to count in 2s. So if you get ready, and off we go. 2, 4, move another 2 across. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, another 2 gets us to 16, 2 more is 18, and another 2 is 20. And now maybe throwing out fingers of 2, let's count in 2s a bit quicker this time. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Well done. There's also a video link in the summer holiday workout files. There's a video link there to counting in 2, so you could watch that too. Okay, let's count in steps of 10. And so 1 10 is 10. 2 10s gets us to 20. Another 10 gets us to 30. 10 more is 40. Another 10 is 50. 10 more is 60. Another 10 is 70. Add 10 more, you get to 80. Another 10 is 90. Add 10 more and you get to 100. Right, let's count in our steps of 10. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, and then we're going to come to the trickiest one of all, counting in steps of 5. And again, there's a video with all these other videos of counting in steps of 5, so that might be really helpful to listen to that. Okay, so we've got 1 5 is 5, another 5 gets us to 10, 5 more gets us to 15, Another 5 gets us to 20. 5 more gets us to 25. Another 5 gets us to 30. 5 more gets us to 35. If you add on 5 more, you get to 40. Another 5 gets you up to 45. And 5 more gets you to 50. All right, let's count in our steps of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Well done. And then finally, a tricky challenge for those of you maybe finding this easy enough. There were 96 children, and they were put into teams of 10 for a football match. How many teams could there be? And how many children would be left out? So there were 96 children put into teams of 10 for a football match or a football tournament. How many teams could there be? How many children would be left out? Okay, have a go at that. Well done.